think we're live. We might be live, I don't know. Wait just a second, make sure everything's running, and then we will continue with this little venture. Huh. Looks like we are live. How about that? All right. Bear with me, let me get set up a little bit more. All right, so we got not a whole lot going on right now. That's right over here, maybe. I can see it. Then we have the let's come over here and see what we've got going on next. We're up to date on everything, and just to build this out a little bit. It's something I've been kind of playing with for about a decade now, actually. I'm finally got a little bit of time off so I can work with it. We'll see what's going on from here. And yes, I am using a GPT on this also. There's no way that I can come up with this code this quickly. As do most places these days. I mean, it's most places that you are getting tutorials from that everything's thought out in ahead. So we don't. Also keep my cards held close to my chest too. Journal, arts, and migrate on what I'm working on. So we're going to run a couple of commands here. Artisan, make migration, trading results. I gotta check my phone over here. Right there. Yes, it's me. Da, 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 da. Alright, so this is kind of fun. Okay, let's see. Create trading accounts table. Okay, go ahead and run that. And we are creating the trading accounts table right now. Put this over here so I can see. That's been done. Now we're going to come back over here. We're going to create the house table. Go over here and make sure these migrations are getting done. Users table's already done. These posts, okay. And then PHP artisan. I probably should have just got them. Traits table. Okay, let's see what's going on with that. That's already done. And we don't see that up here, so let's refresh this. Yeah, there they are. Okay. So let's see. First, we want to over here table timestamps. Okay, so first is the trading accounts one. Timestamps. Down, vaguely remember this. It's been a while since I worked in Laravel. This is the trades table. Risks profile. And here's this one. Here I do this. Yep, so I can always roll it back. Okay, and then down here is risk profiles table. It's right here. Let's go and save that. See what else is going on over here. I want to let this go on. Do this for about half an hour maybe. Get this done, see if we can move on from there. Okay, so next we're going to get into this over here? Where's profiles, table? And then lastly, create trades table. And create trades table. Look at all that stuff. Oh, I don't have my database up, do I? Use Table Plus on that. Local, I want production. I'll pull this over here too, maybe. Just make sure we've got everything set up. I'll come over here. I wanted to come over there. Come on, man. There we go. Here's my databases. Okay. Take that back down. That way we can roll all back if we need to. Okay, so I'm going to Artisan migrate. Makes me a little nervous. I've not done it. I've not worked in Laravel in an awfully long time. And it is kind of fun to work in. Let's see if that that worked. Go over here, and here we have a refresh somewhere. Job matches, tables. No, we went with this one. I don't need both of the same things. I can shut this one down. Let's close that connection. I only need one connection right now. The Crunchy Pair one, I need to work on that a little bit. Get that, make that more dynamic. Hmm. All right, tables. It should have created some tables, and it didn't. Or did it? We don't have the blades built yet. Database migrations. History. Items. Did it go to another database? Go to the local database. Went to the local database. Oh man. Okay, so we got a connection issue. I needed it to get to the. Okay. Back over here. All right, this is potentially extremely boring. All right, so we have the migrations going to the wrong database, which is not cool. So now I'm looking for the correct file for that. Save. What if I didn't know? Or just, that's a different thing. Okay. There it is. That's the file I'm looking for. Okay, so we're going to search for production, app and local. Check, see which database we have lined up to this right now. Do Tinker. That's the live database, or the local host on this other screen real quick. Okay, I still need to figure out what's going on with this thing. I'm gonna shut this down. Shut that down right there. Don't need that right now. No. That's for the wrong database. Let's try this. PHP version. Migrate. Force. Have to migrate. Okay, so we're not migrating it there. And change databases. Because there's a database for it right there, Trading Forex for Profits. So we need to not get out of that. Let's close this. And there's the production database. This does not have it in here. And it is the Forge database. What's that? That is nothing. Close connection to that one. Sessions users. So I was migrating something to this earlier. Now, how did I do that? Oh, let's see what config database. See what we got going on there. Config database. Root, MySQL, SQLite, MariaDB. It'll be time for me to get into something different, which will be can't be my production database right there. It's 3306. Do we report 27 host? Give you URL. So the thing about when you start a project 2 years ago and getting back into it, you kind of forget what you did. So that's where I am right now, is trying to figure out why my migrations aren't going to the correct database. Because here's the database.php file right here, and it is showing the wrong database. Laravel, username, root. Password, nothing. I don't think that is the correct database. So we'll figure this out, and then we're going to come back. Oh, well, it's just kind of a fun little test right now, just to see what would happen if I went live and see what would happen with that. Live, I don't know, about 20 minutes so far. Yeah, that's good enough. Oh, well, so that's my challenge for today. Hasn't this been fun? But this is the first little time I've gotten onto Michael Neely Tech in a while, and stuff like that. Check out Neely FX, the new channel that's coming up soon. So we'll go from there. You guys have a great one.